Let's make crunchy, spicy, zesty buffalo tofu tacos. Start by pressing your tofu in the Easy Tofu Press and slicing it up. Then marinate it in plenty of flavorful buffalo sauce. Set the tofu aside, but don't rinse out that bowl. Instead, add vegan mayo and more buffalo sauce and whisk that together. Dredge your tofu pieces in the mayo mixture, then pat on plenty of crunchy panko. Arrange the tofu in a single layer in your air fryer basket or on a baking sheet. Then you're ready to bake or air fry until the panko coating starts to turn golden brown. Meanwhile, make the easy, creamy broccoli slaw by combining minced broccoli with shredded cabbage, green onion, sunflower seeds, vegan mayo, and yellow mustard. Assemble your tacos by layering on that crunchy, spicy baked tofu, with plenty of creamy broccoli slaw and a sprinkle of green onion on warmed flour tortillas.